my fellow viewers and subscribers, and this is Supercholatemilkshake, and I am here with a quick little update, and basically this is for the little game project that I've actually been working on for a short while now, called Becoming the Goal. Okay, so as for this game, I am going to be postponing it just for a little bit, and here's the reason why. First of all, right now I am working on a bug that's kind of got me stumped right now, and while I probably could figure out the answer with a little extra time, I don't have that right now since this is probably like almost halfway through August, and I still got some more stuff to record for the month of scares. I still got a few other normal videos to record for the before the month of scares, and I'm also going to be doing a whole bunch of other things too along with that as well, because I'm going to be doing some animations for the month of scares. I'm still going to be writing a little bit of a horror story for the month of scares, and I'm still going to be doing some extra drawings for the month of scares as well. So, and on top of that, also trying to design the icon for my character, edit some of these videos, also trying to get some of these videos up in time, and maybe doing a little bit of something else with it too. I don't know. I wanted to expand it just a little bit. So, in other words, yes, the code is now officially up on GameJolt though. I know. It's not a finished product, and it still has a bit of a bug. It has a release build with it, however, most of the files for it is not inside the release build folder. You have to copy over the data folder in order to get the release build to work. But, in other words, basically what you need to do is you need... Well, basically all you just need to do is just copy over the data folder, which all you gotta do is just click on the Becoming the Goal folder within the source code zip file folder, open that up, click on data, right-click on data, go down, click on copy, and then just go over to the release folder, and then click on paste. But of course, if you happen to have Visual Studio, or actually CodeBlocks also happens to work with it pretty good too, basically you can open up the source files, you can take a look around, you can take a peek and see what on earth am I doing wrong here that's causing the snap to act the way it is, or causing it to do what it's doing right now, which is basically... Well, basically I have a snap set up so that basically when you hit the ground, you're not going back into the ground or you're clipping into it, you know? Because, I mean, that would kind of look awkward if your character did that. So basically I'm trying to program a bit of a snap so your character goes back up onto the level ground, back onto level ground, practically even. Well, unfortunately there's a glitch when it gets to a platform higher than the ground, basically. When it gets onto a platform higher than the ground, it always tries to snap underneath the platform, no matter what. It will always do this, with no matter which type of platform I tried this with. So, unfortunately, I am a bit stuck on this glitch, and I haven't been able to figure out anything with it. And it's still in a bit of like an early beta phase, because there's still a lot of things that I need to work out. But if you want to take a look at the source code yourself, feel free to. The link is down below inside the description. And of course, don't be afraid to ask me anything if you need anything or need any guidance or help with navigating the code. I can be more than willing to help you out with that. And of course, if you have any suggestions to improve it or give me any kind of suggestions for optimization, I'm also open to that as well. Of course, optimization would probably be the last thing in mind. I would be trying to get this as functional as I possibly can first, and then I'm going to be optimizing it, because that's basically how you are supposed to do. Or well, that's kind of how it's supposed to work too, is that you're supposed to get something functional, and then you just kind of build on from there and try and optimize as much as you possibly can. Take a look at your code, diagnose it, and then go like, okay, maybe I need to do this to make it look a little bit neater, and do this to make it run a little bit smoother, and to do this to make it run with less processing power. So, other words, yeah, have fun. I got the source code up, it's still not complete, so... Anyway, so I guess that's all I have to say. So if you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. And you know what? I should also be promoting this right now. I still do have the month of the Scare Me Shakeless Jam going on right now. You can also be able to check it out down below inside the description as well. Be sure to join it if you have like a horror game that you want to post to be seen for the month of scares this year, okay? So anyway, this is Supercholatemilkshake signing off. I didn't say I'll see you in the next video, though. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. This is Supercholatemilkshake signing off. Wow, that was an awkward ending.